Dubai, the city of dreams, is one of the fastest-growing cities in the world. With its towering skyscrapers, luxurious hotels, and beautiful beaches, it has become one of the top tourist destinations in the world. Dubai has a rich history that dates back over 5,000 years. It has always been a hub for trade and commerce, and over the years, it has evolved into a modern and vibrant city. Despite its modernity, Dubai has managed to preserve its rich cultural heritage. The Old Town, with its traditional souks, narrow alleys, and historical buildings, is a testament to the city's past. Dubai has become a global hub for business and commerce. It's a city that is always on the move, always looking for the next big thing. Dubai is home to some of the world's most iconic buildings, including the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, and the Burj Al Arab, one of the most luxurious hotels in the world. Dubai is a city that is constantly changing, and this is reflected in its vibrant arts and culture scene. There are always new exhibitions, performances, and events happening around the city. Dubai is also known for its love of entertainment and leisure. From world-class theme parks to stunning beaches, there is something for everyone in this city. Dubai is a city that never ceases to amaze me. There is always something new and exciting to discover, and the people are so welcoming and friendly. Dubai is a city that truly has something for everyone. Its mix of modernity and tradition, its love of business and leisure, and its rich cultural heritage make it a unique and unforgettable destination.